Suddenly, she heard someone cry out for help. Nainisingit na help, and a small puppy had fallen into the river. So, ang puppy di ay nakahulog dito sa river. A woman was trying to pull him out. So, by iyang gibira ang puppy para
jump dive siya.
Then Ginny jumped in and saved the puppy.
Jump dive galing.
Jump dive si Ginny para isave niya ang puppy. The woman said, "Thank you so much. I am a fairy and do not know how to swim." Thank you so much to save puppy. I am fairy but I do not know how to swim. So I will never forget your kindness. So dili ko makalimutan imong pagpabutan, pagkamaayo. Kindness. The fairy gave Ginny.
Good magic.
The fairy gave Ginny small silver whistle and said, "This is a magic whistle." Tagaan si Ginny nan. Sa gihatag? Sana?
Whistle.
Magic whistle.
Hindi ko sumulog ako.
If ever you need help, just blow it and will appear. Okay? And I will appear for me. Kinahanglan ko nung pag-help, i-blow mo ang whistle ba, I will appear daw si Fairy. Mabot dayon ko kung mo i-blow ang whistle.
Bakit ano naman?
Mudol dayon si Fairy. Ginny and the fairy became good friends. So, amigo na sila duha ni Fairy.
Kay, pinakakaman ni Zando.
Whenever Ginny need help, the fairy always came and helped her. So, kung makinahanglan ng help si Ginny,
Ulo kali kay ulukin na wali mo.
So, nakasabot ka?
Oo.
Kisay gitagaan o magic whistle?
Si Fairy.
Ha? Kisay gitagaan? Si? Isa ka na nga yan? Si? Ano yan? Isa na sila nga yan? Si? Isa ka? Ginny. Ginny. Kinsay gisave ni Ginny?
Ang Papi.
Anong iya mag-gisave si Papi?
Kaya diba? Naiani si Dado. Si Dado. Nagulog si Dado.
So kinsay nag-thank you kay Ginny?
Si Fairy.
Fairy. So what did Fairy give to Ginny?
Ay, magic whistle.
Ang sama ng magic whistle, ang sama ibuhaton ni Ginny.
Anong waya?
I-blow
Ang whistle.
Ginny ang whistle para